Hey there! Are you considering becoming an ICAEW Chartered Accountant and curious about how the ACA qualification can help you become one? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we will provide all the information that you need before starting your ACA journey. So, let's get into it without any further ado. The ACA program is a top-tier learning and professional development course. It offers comprehensive accountancy, finance and business training, equipping participants with the technical knowledge, professional skills, and practical experience required to become an ICAEW Chartered Accountant. The ACA qualification consists of 3 levels: certificate level, professional level, advanced level. Along with these levels, there is an ethics and professional skepticism module which must be completed in parallel with the other 3 levels. Now, let's discuss the ACA levels in detail. Certificate level. This level marks as the beginning of your ACA journey, which introduces you to the fundamentals of accountancy, finance and business. The ACA certificate level is equivalent to RQF for level 4. Entry requirements. If you have completed AAT or hold a relevant degree in accounting, economics or business, you can directly proceed to ACA studies. Some candidates enter through training contracts with ICAEW authorized employers, which may have additional criteria set by their employer. Exams. This level has 6 exams: accounting, assurance, business technology and finance, law, management information, principles of taxation. Here's the detailed exam format. The exams comprise of scenario-based, constructed response and multiple-choice questions. The duration of the exams is around 1 hour and 30 minutes with a passing percentage of 55%. The exams are computer-based. The availability of the exams is provided on demand and available throughout the year. Exemptions. ACA exemptions, also known as credit for prior learning, allow learners to be exempted from certain ACA exam modules if they have relevant prior qualifications. If you have a relevant university degree in accountancy, economics, business, etc., or you're AAT qualified, you may be able to apply for credits for the following. You can calculate the relevant exemptions you are eligible for based on your prior qualification here. ICAEW CPL Directory, professional level. The second level of the ACA qualification also comprises of 6 exams which builds on the fundamentals and tests learners. Understanding and ability to use technical knowledge in real-life scenarios. The ACA professional level is equivalent to RQF level 6. Entry requirements. You must pass the ACA certificate exams or be applicable for relevant exemptions. This level consists of 6 exams: audit and assurance, business strategy and technology, financial accounting and reporting. Learners can choose between IFRS standards or UK GAAP based on their specific regions or employers' needs. Financial management, tax compliance, business planning. Learners can choose between taxation, banking, and insurance based on their specialties in field. Here's the detailed exam format. Learners can choose between IFRS standards or UKG AAP based on their specific regions or employers' needs. The business planning modules let ACA professionals gain sector-specific knowledge by choosing one of the 3 options from taxation, banking and insurance. This exam comprises constructed response, which includes short long answer format and scenario-based questions. The duration of the exams is around 2 hours 30 minutes, or 3 hours with a passing percentage of 55%. The exams are computer-based, and some allow the use of permitted texts or open book resources. The exams are held session-based with business planning, banking and insurance, conducted in June, September and December, and for other, it is conducted in March, June, September and December. Exemptions. And if you're a graduate, you can apply for up to 5 subject credits, including the following professional level ACA exams: Business Strategy and Technology, Financial Management, Tax Compliance, Audit and Assurance, Financial Accounting and Reporting. You can calculate the relevant exemptions you are eligible for based on your prior qualification here. ICAEW PL Directory. Advanced level. The third and final level of a CA qualification enhances learners' understanding and strategic decision-making at a senior level. The ACA Advanced level is equivalent to RQF Level 7. Entry requirements. You must have passed all the ACA professional level exams. The advanced level of ACA qualifications has 3 exams: corporate reporting, strategic business management, case study. This exam comprises constructed response, which includes scenario-based questions. The exams are computer-based and allow the use of open book resources. This level takes 6 to 12 months to complete, and all the exams are session-based, and there are 2 exam sittings a year, July and November. The duration of the exams is around 3 hours, 30 minutes or 4 hours with a passing percentage of 50%. Exemptions. There are no exemptions applicable at this level. Work experience. Learners must complete at least 450 days of practical work experience parallel with their studies, which normally takes between 3 to 5 years. Experience can be completed in at least one of the following 6 categories: accounting, audit and assurance, financial management, information technology, insolvency, taxation, ethics and professional skepticism module. The ethics learning program is mandatory for ACA learners, requiring half-yearly review meetings to discuss progress, ethical scenarios, and real-life situations. Learners must update their training files with an ethics review after each meeting. The ethics in practice scenarios grow in complexity and must be completed over the 3 years. Duration: half-yearly reviews throughout the training agreement. Modules: 18 modules with practice questions, progress tests, and a full assessment. Assessment: 70% or more required to pass progress tests and results recorded in the training file. Scenarios: 18 ethics in practice scenarios completed progressively over the training agreement. Mandatory: 3 ethics must be discussed and reviewed every 6 months. Getting the ACA qualification will help you to become an ICAEW Chartered Accountant and take you to greater heights in finance. If we could help you understand the intricacies of the ACA qualification, do like this video. Please share it with your friends looking to pursue ACA and subscribe for more educational content. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.